Hey everybody, today we're making personalized tumbler cups. Let's get into it. Start off by measuring the height of your cup. Mine was about 10 inches tall. Click on the Cricut Design Space app. Now click on New Project. Click on the word text, then type in the word or name that you want on the side of your personalized cup. For me, I'm typing in the word director. Now drag it to make it really large so you can see all of the small details. Now choose your font. My font was a font that I chose from thefont.com. I don't know how to say the name, so I will put it on the screen right now. This website is free for personal use. However, if you're going to sell your cup, you're going to need to get permission from the author or purchase a license. Continuously lower the letter spacing, stopping right before the letters start to overlap each other. Now click on the word ungroup so that each letter can be moved separately. Slide each letter over one by one and adjust them so that each letter appears to be connected seamlessly. While I have your attention, if you're enjoying this video and finding it helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe so that you never miss another video from me. Why not? It's free. Now I've ran into a problem. The O and the R don't connect seamlessly, so I have to find a way to fix this. What I've decided to do is cut off that little tail on the O so that the R will connect smoothly. So I'm going to separate the O and the R for now. Then I click on Shapes and Square, shrink the square down and turn it at an angle and put it on top of the O so that it's just covering up the tail. Now select the O and the square, then choose the word slice. Now you're going to remove the pieces of the square and the little tail from the O, and our problem is fixed. Connect the R and the O back together and delete those extra pieces at the bottom. Select the entire word, then right-click and choose the word weld. This is so that the Cricut machine will cut the entire word out in one solid piece. Since I measured my cup at the very beginning, I know that my cup is 10 inches tall, so I want to adjust the width of the entire word to about 8 inches so that everything will fit on my cup comfortably. Now click the Make It button. Make sure that you have the right size mat chosen. Mine is 12 by 12. And you don't need to hit mirror for this type of vinyl. Now you're going to grab your black premium Cricut vinyl and your Cricut transfer tape. Open the package of black vinyl. Now when we were adjusting the size of our word, we saw that our word was 3 inches tall. So I'm going to cut a piece of vinyl that is about 4 inches tall. Smooth the vinyl out on your Cricut mat. Turn the Cricut machine on and load the mat into the machine. Make sure the dial is set to custom. Set your base material to premium vinyl and set your pressure to more. Go back to your Cricut machine and press the go button. And now your Cricut machine should begin cutting out your words. Push the unload button to take your mat out. Grab your weeding tool and carefully weed out all of the unnecessary vinyl. If you'd like to check out all of the craft projects I've been working on, head on over to my website at deanncreates.com. Open up your Cricut transfer tape. Cut a piece of transfer tape that's 4 inches tall, or at least big enough to cover up your entire word. Peel the backing off of the transfer tape and place the transfer tape on top of your word. Make sure that the transfer tape really adheres to your word. Now, you can use your hands, the brayer tool, or the scraper tool to make sure that you get all the air bubbles down and that it's pushed down as firmly as possible. Use rubbing alcohol and a cotton pad to clean the area of the cup where the vinyl will go. Peel the transfer tape off of the backing, and if something did not get stuck properly, then stop and repeat the rubbing process with your tools until it is fine. After your cup is dried, line the vinyl words on your cup exactly where you want to place them and make sure that your word is straight. Now begin pushing your word down from the center and work your way to the ends of the word. You can use your scraper tool to rub the tape onto the cup. In full disclosure, it was a little difficult to perfectly smooth out the word on the curvier end of the cup. It is so much easier if your tumbler is the shape of a perfect cylinder. A personalized tumbler is a perfect gift for friends, for teacher appreciation, a Christmas gift for coworkers, and so much more. To take care of your tumbler, wash it by hand so that the vinyl will last. Peel the transfer tape away from the vinyl at a 45-degree angle. If the vinyl starts to stick to the transfer tape, just rub the vinyl onto the cup using your scraping tool. Now I'm just checking to see if there's any tiny little air bubbles I missed in my vinyl letters, and if there are, then I'm using my scraping tool to slowly and gently push them out. Lola, can you say hi? Say hi. That's it, you guys. Super easy, super fun. In the comment section below, let me know what word or name you're going to put on your tumbler cup. And until next time, I hope you add a little more creativity to the world and keep coming back because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye, guys.